Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the nervous tissues. These nervous tissues came under the animal tissues. Animal tissues are different types, four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and now the last, nervous tissue. Today we are going to discuss the nervous tissues. What are the nervous tissues? Which are the cell present in nervous tissue? What is the name of the cell present in the nervous tissue? Neuron. This diagram. This is the structural and functional unit of nervous tissue. That is the neuron cell. And this is also called nerve cell also. This is also called nerve cell. See here, how is this cell? This is the highly specialized cell. And when that cell combines, that form the tissue, nerve tissue. Highly specialized means what the stimulus, coldness, hotness, or mosquito biting, anything in the nature, we get immediately due to these highly specialized tissues. So we cannot get injured. If suddenly our hand is on the hot object, suddenly we will remove that. Because the nervous system passes that impulses to the spinal cord brain, and brain gives the command to remove the hand. In this way this system works. This is highly specialized tissues. And where these nervous tissues are present? Which are the different parts in which these nervous tissues are present? Our main controlling center of the body. Which is the main controlling center of the body? Brain. Brain contains nervous tissue. Then vertebral column. That vertebral column has the smooth wiring, we can say, that is called what? Spinal cord. That spinal cord, brain and nerves, just like optic nerve from eyes to brain, auditory nerve from ear to brain. These different nerves that are also composed of the nervous tissue or neuron. This neuron may be 1 meter long. So what we can say, this is the largest cell in the body. Neuron is the largest cell in the body. Now see the diagram. This is the diagram of the nervous tissue. Means what? Neuron. Neuron is the cell present in the nervous tissue. See the diagram. The main part is this cell body. And this is called axon. And this structure, how you are getting this structure? Multipolar or unipolar? This is the multipolar structure. See here, tree-like branches-like structure. This is the multipolar structure. And this part is called what? Cyton, cell body or dendron. This is called cyton, cell body or dendron. This is the dendron. This contains the nucleus, and what the branches, that is called dendrites. All of you getting? This part is called dendron, and the branches from this is called dendrites. Then the next part, elongated part, that is called axon. Okay, and this axon, in between the axon there is gap. And this gap in the axon is called node of Ranvier. The gap in the axon is called node of Ranvier. Some neuron has myelin sheath. This is the protein covering, myelin sheath. That neuron is called myelinated neuron. And the neuron which does not have this myelin sheath, they are called non-myelinated neuron. This is in just detail, not in the 9th class, but in further classes for NEET exam, you have to keep in mind neurons are of two types: myelinated neuron and non-myelinated neuron. That depends on the presence or absence of myelin sheath. And the last part is called nerve endings. That is also called synaptic knobs. These knobs are called synaptic knobs. And these knobs contains the chemical acetylcholine, which transmit the nerve impulses from one neuron to next neuron. This connection, like wiring-like connection. Acetylcholine chemical is present in that. That is important in transmitting the impulses from one neuron to next neuron. Now, how this neuron functions? What is the function of this neuron? Just I told you, if mosquito sit on your head and biting us, suddenly we get that sensation to spinal cord and brain, and we hammer it or remove our hand and suddenly. How this happens? On our skin, on upper part of the skin, the dendrites are present. That dendrite gets that sensation of pain, coldness or hotness. That we can say stimulus, correct? Stimulus. And that stimulus contained into impulses by this neuron. Dendrites takes the stimulus, convert it to impulses, and that impulses transmits from this dendrite to dendron, then dendron to axon, then this nerve ending synaptic knob, and then the next neuron. In this way, the functioning of the neuron takes place. All of you got this? In the exam, this can be asked for 3 marks. Draw the Venn label diagram of neuron. You have to draw the diagram of neuron and its labeling. And write the location of neuron. Which are the different locations of neuron? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Describe the structure of neuron. Just I told you, structure of neuron. 2 parts. This cyton, dendron part and axon part. And last nerve ending. This total structure. And then function of neuron. To transmit the nerve impulses from sense organ to spinal cord and brain. How that transmit, just I told you. From dendrite to dendron, dendron to axon, axon to nerve ending and then next neuron. Okay, all of you got what the neuron, its types, structure and function.